In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in ClickFunnels 2.0. To start, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find Landing Pages. If you don't see it right away, no worries. Click the plus Add Apps option and add the Landing Pages app. That simply enables the landing page tool in your workspace so you can build and manage pages from one place. With the app added, open the Landing Pages area. In the top right, click the New Landing Page button. This brings up the template library. Browse through the layouts and choose one that fits your goal, whether that's capturing leads, promoting an offer, or registering attendees for a webinar. Templates are organized by purpose to save you time, and you can always customize every section later, so pick the structure that gets you closest to the outcome you want. Next, you'll fill out the page information. Start with the page name. This is internal. Use a clear name that helps you and your team recognize the page later. Then, set the URL. This customizes the web address path for your page. Keep it short, memorable, and related to your offer, like summer offer or free guide. After that, open the style and SEO options. Choose a style preset that matches your brand's look and set basic SEO details such as the page title and description. These appear in search results and link previews, so write something concise and benefit-focused. When everything looks good, click Create Page. Your new page will open in the ClickFunnels editor. This is a drag-and-drop builder, so you can click any section, headlines, forms, buttons, or images, and adjust the text, colors, sizes, and spacing. If you need an element, add it from the sidebar and move it into place until the layout flows naturally. Keep your headline clear, your call to action button prominent, and your form simple to maximize conversions. Use contrasting colors for the button and make sure the action text is specific, like "Get the guide" instead of "Submit." It's also a good idea to preview the page on mobile within the editor to ensure everything stacks neatly and stays readable on smaller screens. When you're happy with the design and content, save your changes and click Publish. That pushes the page live at the URL you set. Open the link in a new tab to confirm it's working as expected. And that's it. Your landing page is live and ready to share.